Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So I'm broadcasting this video from Malta. I'm here for some blockchain and crypto events and making some discussions, businesses with crypto friends. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and from the CryptoMinds Global educational movement, and I'm bringing the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. So press those like notification or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm. So guys, let's go and check out our favorite bubble charts. Let's see what's happening. HEX, STX and CAS pumping, as Pepe coin dropping back after the huge rally, but this is a meme coin, so be very careful if you are trading these meme coins. Bitcoin is up 2% and Ethereum is up 1.5% as we are heading into the Fed meeting today, and it will just clearing up if the Fed will raise 75 basis points or nothing. We'll see, but there are some voices that the US economy is going into recession. What about our favorite indicator? The crypto and fear index is at 64, so we are back in the greed zone. So guys, let's go and check out our first news. Bitcoin metrics to the moon, all-time high for hash rate, daily transactions and ordinals. So we are mining hash rate. Bitcoin mining hash rate is at all-time high, and as we see higher numbers of transactions due to Bitcoin ordinals. Bitcoin ordinals are unique NFTs built on Bitcoin network, each representing a distinct position in the Bitcoin blockchain. Each ordinal is inscribed on a Satoshi's, the smallest denomination of Bitcoin, and owners can prove digital ownership of their sats. So this is a kind of NFT on Bitcoin blockchain, and you see that ordinals inscriptions over time, you see the volume is spiking and reaching 500,000. 24-hour period exceeded 350,000 on May 1st, as the total number of ordinals exceeded 3 million, and this is why the transaction hash rate increased and then a significant increase to 682,000. So cool. So that is why we see Bitcoin hash rate is spiking. Next piece of news is US government sells nearly 300 billion in assets to JP Morgan after collapse of First Republic Bank. So guys, I don't know, maybe this is the fourth or fifth bank that collapsed within few months in the US. So First Republic Bank collapsed, and then JP Morgan is buying up these bankrupt banks. Our government invited us and others to step up, and we did. This acquisition modestly benefits our company. Overall, it is attractive to shareholders. It helps further advance our wealth strategy, and it's complementary to our existing franchise. So guys, don't just remember that in the big financial crisis, also JP Morgan helped out and bought other banks. So let's quote, well, I think we have both banking problem and the First Republic problem, and I think it is somewhat naive to say that it's just limited to First Republic. If you step back and think about it, should never have happened. This happened on the most heavily regulated, capitalized industry on the planet, banking, and the regional banking system. I think it's quite vital to the US. So think is it is a crisis. I think the regional banks are heavily dependent on the FDIC. They are heavily dependent on the Federal Home Loan Bank to get additional cash. We don't know how they are going to operate when those two programs expires. So guys, the US banking system is not healthy. So next, Bitcoin price destined for $1 million following First Republic collapse, says Arthur Hayes. Seems like the Fed still wants to hike 25 basis points, and it's meeting this week. They still don't get it. or maybe they do, are just hoping or praying the market is stupid. Doesn't matter either way, a rate hike almost guarantees another none too big to fail bank will bite the dust this week. First Republic has a loan book for all of jumbo mortgages made to rich people at low rates that are now worth way less after interest rates rose. The next bank to maybe fail this week, I think it will have a loan book for illiquid large CRI commercial real estate loans. Okay, I will be looking through my sell-side research for a chart that shows that a US bank with the largest CRR portfolios. I will then take a hard look at 50 to 75 out of the money short-dated puts on these banks to be purchased after the Fed meetings. Okay, BTC equals 1 million according to Arthur Hayes. Next piece of news is historic Bitcoin bull run underway, says popular crypto analyst, and he is Orlean, Ohio. Orlean, Ohio. Okay, what a strange name. So Bitcoin bull run begins when the weekly double exponential moving average crosses the weekly median age just 12 to 14.4 historical bull runs begins. WMA and median moving averages, and when they are crossing, that the bull market begins. And this is the weekly candle crawl stop indicator, which calculates elements of assets volatility to pinpoint potential entry points or stop losses for traders. According to the analyst, the indicator just signaled that the Bitcoin bull run is underway. When BTC hits a weekly candle crawl stop 41.16, historic bull runs begins. So according to this, historic bull runs begins. Okay. Yeah, so nice chart. COVID reversal. Cool. What else do we have? Let's see. Balaji doubles down on his 1 million Bitcoin bet as an answer to the banking crisis. So the entrepreneur upped his bet by sending up of 1.5 million in BTC to free addresses. I just burned $1 million to tell you that they are printing trillions. I wanted to tell you in a probable way that there is something wrong in the economy and the state isn't telling about it, and things could unwind very fast. So he's betting 1.5 million on chain. So three times 500,000 US dollar in Bitcoin. That Bitcoin will reach 1 million. Cool. So guys, that's it. Let's go and check out what we do have here on the chart. Let's see if something interesting happening. Yes, so Bitcoin is consolidating in this bull flag, and we'll see if it will come down to this 25,000 US dollar levels or break above that, but we see clearly that this is a consolidation that's happening here. Today, due to the Fed meeting, we can expect some volatility. So guys, let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLWestDentler on Twitter, and also follow Corion platform and the Laserpunk Gods. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. See you in the next video. Bye bye.